Time to take a look at how the bees are doing. Looking at the outside entrance of the hive. Taking a look at all the activity going on in there. Seeing these guys flying in and out. Looking to see what they're bringing in. Keeping an eye out. See if we can see any bees coming in loaded down with pollen. In the corner of that door is propolis, which when I had the entrance feeder in there, they were starting to close that off to keep out the cold. Now that it's summertime, there's a bee with something in its mouth taking something out. You can see there's lots of activity in this hive. They are coming and going. Now let's go around and open up the window. Well, first let's take a look at the other hive. Oh, I just saw a bee going in with a bunch of pollen on its legs. So this entrance is also, there's another couple of bees with pollen on their legs that just went in. So they're out collecting and bringing stuff in. Lots of activity going on. So now let's go open the window and see what's going on inside. You can see that the hive has grown considerably since the last time I took it apart. They're almost up against the wall now. And we've got a good 8 combs showing, and probably 2 more that are not visible through the window. So on the end comb here, you see they're just building like crazy. Lots of good activity going on.